Okay, today we're doing a quick demonstration of a Bissell carpet cleaner. So we're going to put the formula bottle on the carpet shampooer. It's got a dirty water tank on the front end. It works essentially like a vacuum. I've had this for several years. Works great. And then you simply take the dirty water tank, dump it down the drain, dump it down the toilet, and you're good to go till next time. It's a good idea to regularly shampoo your carpet in your home or business. Makes for a healthier living and working environment and keeps the carpet looking nice. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.